I didn't grow up thinking much about shoes. You bought a pair, wore them out, and that was that. But at some point, I started paying attention. Not to the brand or the hype, but how they actually feel. I've never heard of Amberjack until about a week and a half ago when they showed up in my email and they wanted to send me a pair of boots. They ended up sending me two to try out. And it's part of what makes this channel so exciting is getting to try new products and discover new brands for myself for the first time and hopefully for some of you. It is a cold and rainy day here in the Pacific Northwest. I'm actually filming this on Halloween. I've got my hot chocolate. Let's get into it. Originally, they offered to send me a pair of their Chukka boots. I told them I usually wear barefoot shoes, which, if you know, you know. It changes your feet completely. So they sent the Chukkas in a 12 and a half because I normally wear an 11 and a half. And they also tossed in their Chelsea boots, the only model they make in a wide fit. Right out of the box, these feel premium. These feel like there's been a lot of intention behind the specific design and the overall construction of both of these boots, honestly. Feeling the inside of them and how kind of soft and malleable and nice this leather is, it's almost like if you've ever been in an antique store and you put on a pair of the old, like early 1900s women's gloves. The inside is that just insanely soft, broken in leather that just feels like it glides across your hand. That's what the inside of these boots feel like. And then with that sole, you are getting a lot of cushion, of memory foam, and these are heat activated. So they're going to get warmed up and they're going to form to your feet. So you get a custom footbed in every pair of boots from Amberjack that you put on. Both are full grain leather, lined with a beautifully soft sheepskin, handcrafted in Portugal. There's this almost balance of tradition and kind of a modern comfort here that I did not expect. These already feel different than really any other boot I think I've ever worn before that's kind of this dress boot variety. The Chukkas have a very structured, kind of classic silhouette, one that pairs well, I mean, with literally anything you wear. My favorite, though, being like a nice pair of American-made selvage denim, kind of like these from Seven Titans. I think this look is just classic. It's clean, it's simple, and it's honestly what Modestly Minimal is literally all about. However, the real magic is not how these look with a pair of jeans or a pair of chinos or a nice wool suit, but literally, the second that you put these on and you start walking, they're like wearing a glove. Like I said earlier, a perfect fitting glove. They're not stiff, they're not rigid, they're comfortable. It's like if you got your favorite pair of tennis shoes from childhood and was able to put them on, just how comfortable they would be. That's what these feel like. It's honestly kind of mind trippy how these boots feel like you're not actually wearing boots. It's very strange. The 12 and a half Chukka gave me the width that I needed, but with my toe being right here, they feel just a touch long, and that's my fault because that's how my foot is shaped, that I need width more than I need the length. But the 12 wide Chelsea, that one clicked immediately. This one is perfect. It's wide exactly where it needs to be, but it's still snug in all of the right areas. For someone who's been in barefoot shoes for 2 years, that's a pretty rare thing to find. Most footwear feels like my feet are fighting for space. These, just kind of let them be. These aren't heritage boots meant for decades of storytelling. They're not built for mud or for the mountains. They're built for movement, for real life. That's what I like the most about these. They're built for people who are in motion. Whether you are pounding city sidewalks or standing in offices or studios or going meeting after meeting or hopping on airplanes or hopping on the subway, these boots are made to work in. Now, maybe that work differs from blue collar work. These are not going to be in the mud, in the trenches, in the oil fields. And that's okay because Amberjack has determined and dialed in on their demographic, and I think they know what people in this space want. And if I were in that specific space, this is exactly what I would want. Comfort, durability, and an overall look that is professional. They blend in when you want them to. They stand out when you need them to. You don't have to overthink them. I could quite literally wear these every single day and not be uncomfortable and not get bored with how I can style them. Amberjack doesn't use tacky gimmicks to build hype. They're trying to build comfort for people who are on the move. Not every person or every boot is going to be trying to chase legacy. Some just need shoes that feel right now.